Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Makeup Monday. And I'm going to set my timer for 15 minutes. I'll put it on 16. Okay. Y'all can't see it. Alright, I'm going to start with moisturizing my cheeks. I'm using the CeraVe. Okay, I don't put this on my T-zone. And not too close to my nose. And I have a little extra on my hand that didn't absorb. So I'll put it on this elbow. Okay. Now I'm going to put on foundation. Today I'll be using the Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation by Maybelline in the color 334 Warm Sun. Looks like that. I haven't worn this in a while. That's why. I like a pump, or at least a paddle or doe foot or something. Too much in here. A lot. I pour it out. Just wipe the rest of it off the top. I like trying out new foundations. Maybe that's why I break out. And I got a new one coming today. I got a mirror sitting here. Oh, that's the magnified side. I don't want that because that scared me to death. So I got to cover up all this. And this ain't doing it on the first go round. I have a lot of hyperpigmentation. I have moles, freckles, heckles, and jeckles. So that wasn't enough. That's why I don't use it. I'm going to use what I know works. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte Foundation in Caramel. Warm caramel. Okay. Squeezes out thick. But when you put it on, you can't feel it at all. And it's full coverage. I'm taking time putting this top on here. There you go. Do the eyebrows, all these dark eyes. I'm being kind of rough on my skin. My neck to blend. Okay, that's good. The yellow ears. But this is still dark around here. That's good because I ain't got time for all that. Okay, what I need? Some with these soup coolers. I always put on a lip balm before I put on lipstick. Any kind. Taking my time. Some blush. I bought some new blush, but I'm going to use this today. What I've been using for years and years and years. And I always put on a little too much at first. But I fix it with my finishing powder. Okay, get rid of that. What I need. So I'm gonna put my powder on right now so I can look like folks. I'm using this, used to be red sponge. Tone it down this blush. I have to get my eye sockets good because they were very dark. Okay, getting all this. Okay. Tone down the blush. I need to do something with these eyes. Oh, did I bring eyeshadow? You mean I didn't bring an eyeshadow in here? Okay, I'm gonna use the blush. Don't let one monkey stop the show. Improvise. I do this with my cooking too. I ain't got something that I'm supposed to have. Use something else. I sit around and cry about it. Not me. Okay. Let me okay. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Do something different with my eyebrows today, y'all. I'll just use the spoolie to brush my brows. Oh, I'm kind of scared. I did this for the past couple of days. I'm just using a regular mascara. This is Bye Bye Panda Eyes by Essence. You can use any not so new mascara. Oh, I'm scared. I might mess up today. So I'm in front of y'all. Okay. Use a regular mascara. And this is mascara. It's not the brow gel or nothing like that. It's colors and brushes. I want a little fuller right here. That's good. Okay. Do the other one. Cause I was buying them other things called Queen of the Field. And oh, this going on dark, look at that. And it was a stiff short mascara with some, it said gel, but it looked like mascara to me. So I said, let me try mascara. Okay, that's darker. So now I gotta make this one darker. Okay, I'm going to fix it. You wear that spoolie. Try something new in front of the camera. I'm always taking a chance. Okay, a little too much on this. I'm brushing it down. And I'm brushing it back up. Too much up here. This one look better. Ain't trying to win no beauty contest. Okay, what else I need? I'm going to use concealer to... I need to do something else to these. At least this one, because it's too light. That's good. I darkened it up a bit to match the other one. Use concealer. I ain't gonna bother about no concealer up under my eyes. I'm gonna do it right here. Because your eyebrows is what frame your face. And if they jacked up, then I think your whole makeup job would look jacked up. This one is thicker. Use a brush to, oh, this is my makeup brush eraser. Okay, I'm just gonna brush this concealer a little bit. That's good. Need some eyeliner. I really feel like I'm playing a flute when I do this. Okay, this is thicker. Do I have to thicken up this? No. Now some mascara. I'm gonna use this Hard Candy, Dare to Extend. Y'all see? No. I ain't got no color on my mouth. Oh, that's gooey. Minutes. It's 14:32. Okay. That's good. Oh, I need some lipstick, y'all. And I need some hair. color lipstick. It's a red. I like red lipstick, y'all. Fashion Fair. And some hair. And I don't know what wig this is. I just know it's by Outre, and I've had it quite a while. So I used some mousse to rejuvenate it a little while ago. Is that the UPS? Okay, that's what it looks like. No, I need a headband with this wig. This is a half wig. Putting on one of these jelly headbands. Tuck this braid. I got my own hair. Just a minute. Okay, that was a man banging on my door. He sounded like the police, bringing my home chef meal. He left it on the porch. Okay, I don't know what wig this is, but it's by Outre, and it says Wig Pop. So I don't know the name of the wig. Okay. I've had it a while, and I just rejuvenated this wig this morning with some curly mousse. Like I said, this is a half wig. So you need a headband with it, or you need to comb some hair out. Half wigs will fit anybody because it don't have to go right at the beginning, the front of your head. Bring this headband up. Cover up that weft. Okay, and I'm good. So, it took a little longer than 15 minutes, but I'm officially, no I ain't, I'm not as cute as I can be. Just a minute. This kind of softens my skin, so this big fluffy brush. Okay, now I'm officially as cute as I can get. I keep feeling like I'm forgetting something, but this is it, y'all. So I want to thank you all for watching my Makeup Monday. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. I like my earrings to show. Okay. Bye. Be blessed. Close up. Close up on them eyebrows. Pretty good for using mascara. I'm going to stop buying so much stuff for my eyebrows and just do what I do. All right. I'm going for real now.